The 10th of Dhul Hijjah is a monumental day in Islam, marking the pinnacle of Hajj and the day of sacrifice. In this video, we'll explore the key rituals of this sacred day, step by step, as practiced by pilgrims following the Sunnah of Prophet Muhammad. Peace be upon him. Let's begin. Early in the morning, pilgrims arrive at Mina to perform Rami. This involves throwing 7 pebbles at the Jamarat al-Aqaba, symbolizing the rejection of Satan's temptations. With each throw, pilgrims recite Bismillah, Allahu Akbar, reinforcing their commitment to resist evil. After Rami, pilgrims perform Qurbani. The meat is divided into 3 parts, one for the pilgrim, one for relatives, and one for the poor, embodying compassion and sharing. Next, male pilgrims shave their heads, halq, while women cut a small portion of their hair, taqsir. This symbolizes purification and humility. After this, pilgrims are partially released from the restrictions of ihram. Pilgrims then proceed to Makkah to perform Tawaf al-Ifada. This involves circling the Kaaba 7 times in devotion and submission to Allah. This tawaf is a pillar of Hajj and signifies the pilgrim's closeness to their Creator. After tawaf, pilgrims perform sa'i, walking 7 times between Safa and Marwa. This reenacts the search for water by Hajar, peace be upon her, for her son Ismail, symbolizing perseverance, hope, and reliance on Allah's mercy. The 10th of Dhul Hijjah is a day of immense spiritual significance, teaching us sacrifice, patience, and unwavering faith in Allah. For those unable to perform Hajj, this day can be observed through prayers, Qurbani, and acts of charity. May Allah accept our deeds and grant us His blessings.